Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Flip 3 Stealth Edition, that is JBL Flip SE. So the problem is it is completely dead. The port is broken here. You can see I'm showing you in close up. So the port is broken, so we have to replace the complete unit here. So I have this complete board of this JBL Flip SE. So I'm going to replace this. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace this. So alright, without wasting any time, let's tear this down. So first we have to take out this mesh here. So we have to pry it from here. So like this, similarly this side. So just by doing like this it will come out. So now we have to take out this flap here. So to take that out we have to open 4 screws here. So let's open this. This is a plus screw, Phillips screwdriver I am using here. So now we have to simply do like this. There will be clip here, so we have to simply try to pry here. Lock will be opened like this. That's it. So this part I am going to take out separately. So now it's time to take out this base radiator, this charging port side. We have to take out these 2 screws here as well. So let me take this out. So that's it. Simply by lifting like this it will come out. You can see the port is broken and fallen inside. So showing you in close up here. So this is the port here which is broken. The track has been gone. It is bad. So we have to replace this board here with this board. So you can see I'm going to install this board here. So alright, now let's open the base radiator this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws are there, plus screws. Phillips screwdriver I'm going to use. So generally in Stealth Edition and Flip Essential, both is of same design, TL series. So these base radiators are very delicate, so try prying this very slowly, otherwise you may end up breaking the base radiators here. So you can notice there is already cracks in this base radiator. So that's it. Screws has been opened. You can see notice the crack here. You can notice the crack here. It is already damaged. So slowly by prying like this you can take this base radiator. So that's it. You can see. So I have taken out in the same condition, though it is broken. So we will manage to install this back. So alright, now so somebody has tried it doing something. So alright, now we have to take out the clip here. This is the charging wire and this is the aux wire. So both wires we have to take out. I am going to slowly lift this. You can see aux port has come out already. So this is the aux port and this is the charging port. So we have to slowly lift this. If it is difficult for you to lift this, then you have to take out the driver, this driver, then you can remove this socket here. So now I have removed this socket without disassembling the driver. So now it's very simple. Simply we have to, there will be glue in your case if you are not opened, but this this customer has taken out the glue. So alright, no problem. So you have to take out the glue, then you can slowly do like this. It will come very easily. So done. I have taken out the board here, charging board. Now I am going to install the fresh board here. So you can see the same board. This board you can use it for JBL Flip 3 Essential and JBL Flip Stealth Edition, that is SE. So both has the same board, so you can use the same board here. in this case I have this stealth edition, that is JBL Flip SE. So alright, without wasting any time, let me install this in a similar way. So I have to insert these sockets in this gap. So let me do that and come here. So you have to position it, so there is a placeholder on both sides, just we have to position it like this. You can see perfectly seated in its place. So now it's time to simply install these two cables, aux cable and as well as charging cable. So let me install it back to its place. So it's difficult to show here in the video. So I have installed the wire here. You can see the charging wire. I have just positioned it properly. Now it's time to install the aux cable here as well. So that's it. So it has been positioned. Now I am going to apply little bit of glue here so that it can block the air. So before that I want to test it. This was completely dead. It was not even turning on. You can see it is not turning on. Now it's time to simply put the charging cable and test whether the light starts or not. Then we can test it whether the speaker starts or not. So alright, the moment of truth. So let me connect the charger here. So yes, you can see the speaker has started charging. So it may take some time to charge because the battery might be completely dead because of the damaged charging board. So I have replaced the charging board here. So let this charge for a while. Meanwhile, I will tell this charging board is available for sale here in AudioViz 360. If you want to buy this charging board of JBL Flip Essential and JBL Flip Stealth Edition, that is JBL Flip SE. So this is compatible for both. This is 100% original product. This is not counterfeit product. So if you want to buy this, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. So if you want, I can ship this to you through courier, speed post courier from Bangalore, or else if you are from Bangalore, you can directly visit here our warehouse and you can buy it. If you want to visit here physically, then you can visit here in Bangalore and you can buy it. Watching this video, you can replace this charging board. If you feel difficult to replace, then you can send it to me here in Bangalore. You can send the speaker to me here in Bangalore. I can replace it behalf of you and I can ship it back to your address. So alright, so it has been a while. Now let's try starting the speaker here. Speaker has started. So I hope the battery should be fine. So as of now it has started. So it should charge for some 2-3 hours or more than that, 3.5 hours, more than that. So later I will keep this for charging for a while, then I will test it. So now it's time to simply assemble the speaker. So let me do that. So now I am going to simply place the aux board in the gap here. You can see there is a gap. Similarly I am going to push this main cable of charging in that gap itself so that it will not touch the base radiator when we connect. Now simply we have to put some glue here. So let me do that. So now I have applied the glue here on the top. You can see here black glue. So I have used this B8000 here. So you can use T7000 as well. Black color is fine. So now simply we have to close this base radiator. So let me close this. So done. I have tightened the base radiator. Now this has been installed. So now it's time to put the covers back to its place. So before that I want to test it for some time. So let me turn on the speaker. Pressing the Bluetooth button. So you can notice JBL Flip 3 SE has come here. So let's play the song. On a race, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. So alright, speaker has started working perfectly. Now simply we have to cover the housing as I have removed. The similar way I have to close it. So that's it for this video. So if you want to buy this charging board of this JBL Flip Stealth Edition, or if you want to buy the charging board of JBL Flip Essential, both are same. So please do message on this above WhatsApp number to buy this board. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.